Hey there, I'm Trevor, and welcome to my online studio, Back to Basics Music. Have you ever dreamed of playing the piano but just never found the time? Or maybe you've played before and want to bring music back into your life. Perhaps you're just looking for that fun new hobby. Many adults feel the exact same way, and if that's the case, my studio is the perfect place for you, and I'd love to make those dreams come true together. Picture yourself playing your favorite tunes, feeling the keys under your fingers, and enjoying music like you never thought possible. Sounds great, right? With over 25 years of experience as a Royal Conservatory of Music certified teacher, I'm here to make that happen. Lessons are tailored just for you, ensuring that we have fun and progress at your own pace. Lessons with me are fun and interactive because, well, they're live and online, so I'm right there with you every step of the way. Whether you're into classical, jazz, pop, we explore the music that you love together. And the best part? You can do it all from the comfort of your own home using Zoom or Skype. I know starting something new can be a bit daunting. Maybe you're concerned about, finding the time or feel that learning the piano might be too difficult, but trust me, those worries will melt right away. We'll learn at a pace that suits you, and you'll be surprised at how quickly you feel confident and proud of your progress. Now remember, you're not dealing with an app or a music software. You're learning from a private teacher who understands the busy schedules that most adults have. Together, we'll find a routine that works perfectly for you, and imagine mastering the new songs and feeling that sense of accomplishment and just having fun with it. So if you're ready to start, join me for a free trial lesson and take advantage of my special introductory offer for new students. As a private music teacher, I can only take on a limited number of students, and spots tend to fill quickly, so secure your spot today and let's start making music together. Until next time, I'm just a music teacher having fun. Catch you on the next one.